sugar-free Electrolytes Drink Pouch Packing Machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Packaging Machinery Company. The feature of this machine has 3 set sealing pattern. First sealing is vertical sealing, second is horizontal sealing, third is cooling, which is easy cutting to make pouch sealing perfectly, and also extend the use time of the cutting tool. This machine also has a waste recycling system. This machine are normally using bottle-shaped pouch. It's very popular in the world. The size and dimensions of the small bags can be customized.